Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. So in this video, we're going to talk about 5 reasons why you are getting denied for credit cards and loans. These 5 reasons are huge reasons why people are getting denied for credit. Some of them are common sense, but some of them, a lot of people don't realize that this could be, or these reasons could be some of the reasons why they're getting denied for credit. So if you want to see that, make sure that you watch the entire video, because at the end of the video, I'll tell you how you can actually fix all of these problems. So if you want to enter in to win our Cash App giveaway, make sure that you comment your Cash App username down below in the comment section, and also make sure that you are subscribed to this channel with the bell notifications turned on. Also make sure that you follow me on Instagram, because I will be adding more content on Instagram that I do not post on YouTube. So follow me on Instagram. Link will be in the description. Now, reason number one is having too many inquiries on your credit report. This actually shows credit issuers and loan issuers that you are pretty much hungry for credit and funding. So if you have too many inquiries on your credit report, this could be a red flag to credit issuers, banks, and financial institutions, because they look at that as being too credit hungry, and they like to shy away from people who are trying to get too much credit, too much debt at once. Reason number 2 is having a low credit score. Now, this is an obvious reason why you could be getting denied for loans and credit cards. It's a common reason, but a lot of the times people don't realize that having a low score really is not going to get you anywhere. You're not going to be able to get hardly any type of credit or funding, and if you do, you're going to have very high interest rates and very high fees. There are only certain types of lenders called subprime lenders who will actually give you credit and loans, but it's not as many as compared to all of the other banks and credit issuers. Reason number 3 is having collections and charge-offs reporting on your credit report. So if you have collections and charge-off reporting on your credit reports, even if you have a high credit score in the 700s or even in the high 600s, you can still get denied credit, because banks and credit issuers look at that as a red flag. It's pretty much saying that you have allowed your accounts to default. So that's pretty much what a charge-off is an account that has went into default because you have went several months without paying your bill. So you have to get those charge-offs and those collections taken care of before you go out and apply for accounts. And I'll show you, or I'll tell you what you can do here in a few minutes to get those collections and charge-offs off of your credit report. Now, reason number 4 is recent late payments. So some banks and some credit issuers go back 6 months, 12 months, and sometimes even 24 months to see if you had any late payments. And if you've had any late payments within those time periods, you can possibly get denied. Again, some banks go back as far as 2 years. Now, if you had one 30-day late payment almost 2 years ago, you may still be able to get approved if you meet all of the other qualifications. There's a possibility that you can get approved. Some banks, again, will only look at the last year, and some banks will only look at last 6 months. All right, so reason number 5 is a big one. A lot of people do not realize that having too many new accounts can actually get you denied for credit. So if you go and apply for new credit and you've had 2 to 3 new accounts reporting on your credit reports within the last 6 months, you can be denied for credit. Because again, that also makes you look like you're credit hungry and you're trying to get a bunch of debt, a bunch of credit, and that could be frowned upon by banks and credit issuers. So you definitely want to wait at least 6 months for most banks and most credit issuers before you go out and apply for new credit after you've already gotten new accounts. Now, some banking institutions like Chase do not like for you to have more than 5 new accounts or 5 new credit cards within the last 24 months. And that is called the 524 rule that Chase has. Now, banks like Barclays will allow you to get a new credit card every day, but it's with them. So you can get new credit cards with Barclays every 24 hours. So those are some of the top 5 reasons why you're being denied for credit and loans. So if you are looking to get some of your negative items removed off of your credit report, I want you to check out the DIY credit repair ebook bundle that I have in the description. It comes with bonuses that will help you boost up your credit score even before you wipe off any negative derogatory items off of your credit reports. We teach you how to structure your credit reports to actually get high limit funding. We give you a secret lenders list that's going to tell you all of the different lenders, what credit bureaus that they actually pull from, and some of the minimum scores that they actually look for. So that's very helpful information. We also give you a list of over 10 no credit check credit builder accounts that will help you boost your credit score, again, even before you remove any late payments, any collections, charge-offs, repossessions off of your credit reports. You also can get letters to help you remove all of those different items. So definitely check that out. Link will be in the description. That is how you get items off of your credit. You send out letters to the credit bureau and also to the credit issuers sometimes to get late payments, collections, repos, charge-offs removed off of your credit report. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you got value from this video. Make sure that you comment down below any questions that you may have. Also, make sure that you like this video, subscribe to this channel, and comment your Cash App username down below if you want to enter to win the Cash App giveaway. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.